Okay, so finally we have to take care of our WAN links in this problem. And so we're going to use the 2 to the n minus 2 formula. And for our WAN links, how many hosts do you need? Just 2. So whether it's 2 or 2,000, same process. 2 to the n minus 2 has to be greater than or equal to 2. So this is a hard one for you, right? N equals what? Well, n is going to have to equal 2, right? And if you were to solve that, 2 to the 2 minus 2 equals 2. So remember, it has to be greater than or equal to whatever your requirement is here. So reserve the bits in the subnet mask and find the increment value. Well, n equals 2. I'm going to borrow 2 host bits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rest are going to be on. All right. And so this is a common subnet mask for your WAN links. This is a /30 subnet mask. And we also have to find our increment, which is 4. So use the increment to find the network ranges. We'll do that. So looking at our previous problem, which I don't have written here, we should have wrote that up here. This was 148.164.112.0 with a /20 subnet mask. So starting with this here, we'll write our ranges. So 148.164.112.0. The next one would be 148.164.112.4. 148.164.112. Whoops. 112.8. And that's all we need. So keep in mind, if your host that you're looking for, if the problem is asking you for 2 subnets and their requirement is the same, and in our case it's the WAN links, they only have 2 hosts per subnet, but you may have 2 subnets that need 2,000 hosts per subnet. You may have 2 or 3 of those. You don't have to keep repeating this process. You just continue on with your ranges as you're moving through the problem. So in this case, subnet D, E, and F, each of them need 2 hosts per subnet. And so our range is going to be to 148.164.112.3, 148.164.112.7, 148.164.112.11. And this would be subnet D, this would be subnet E, and this would be subnet F. And if we look at the results, and you can work all of this out on that website, and I have the link on the PDF that's on the website. And if you look at the answer, and we were to plug in those subnets that we came up with, right, and their subnet mask insider notation, you can check your answers. So 148.164.0.0 with a /18 subnet mask, 148.164.64/0 with a /19 bit subnet mask. So it depends on what the question is asking you, what the answer might be. They may be asking, for subnet B, what is the first usable host address? And so you might have to work it all out where what the network first, last, and broadcast address is.